Driving website traffic isn't just about catchy headlines or slick visuals. Sometimes, the magic lies in subtle tactics, often called sneaky social cues. These cues influence user behavior without being too obvious, guiding visitors to take desired actions. Social cues tap into fundamental psychological principles. Social proof makes people follow the crowd. Reciprocity compels us to return favors, and authority makes us trust experts. Using these principles, you can subtly guide your audience without seeming pushy. Social proof is a powerful tool. Displaying real-time statistics, user reviews, and testimonials can significantly boost your website traffic. When people see that others trust and use your product, they are likelier to check it out. Fear of missing out, FOMO, is a powerful motivator. Exclusive deals, limited offers, and upcoming events create urgency, attracting visitors. Highlighting limited-time promotions or exclusive access can push people to act quickly, driving more traffic. A well-crafted call to action, CTA, can make a huge difference. Use direct verbs like buy now and create urgency with phrases like limited time offer. If you find this information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel.